Hello, my name is Vera Prytkova. I'm a research and application scientist at CCDC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage display settings in Hermes. You can go to Display Options to manage most of the settings. The display area can be thought of as being illuminated by ambient lighting and up to 4 directional lights. Ambient lighting and 2 of the directional lights are switched on by default. Each directional light lies along a vector direction that can be altered by typing in new values in the position X, Y, and Z entry boxes. Here, 1, 1, 1 lies above the top right of the screen, and negative 1, negative 1, negative 1 will lie below the bottom left. Any color can be altered by clicking on the color panel and choosing from the available palette. Let's give it a try. Diffuse color refers to the general background lighting. Specular color controls the color of the reflections of atoms when displayed in space-filling mode. So we can switch that off like this. You can set the specular color to black to remove the reflections completely. We can also change that to defaults by clicking defaults. You can change the background color by clicking on the background. The options available are either single color or gradient. You can change the depth cueing. If enabled, it aims to improve 3D effects by displaying objects at the front more brightly than those at the back. The extent to which this improves 3D perception varies according to what's on display. Let's try to enable this, then switch to default. Z-clipping here restricts the content of the rendered image based on the z-coordinate of the individual objects. The far plane and the near plane sliders allow interactive control over the position of the clipping planes. You can also switch the middle bar, and it will show you how this works. Now, if you go to Display, you can observe that you have an option of Overwrite on Load. When Overwrite on Load is switched on, it means that whenever a new structure is launched in Hermes, it will overwrite what is currently on display, completely refreshing in the Hermes 3D view with the new structure. Thank you for your attention.